In this video, I'm going to show you how to start setting up your AI agent in the system. So what we're going to do is navigate over here to the left-hand side, and we're going to click on AI. And from here, we're going to click on agents. I'm going to come back to the features just now. So we're going to click on agents, and you'll see we have this default agent in the system called Spark. And I'm going to click on this agent. And from here, we can start customizing this agent. So you can customize the name to be whatever you want. You can give this AI a description. So currently it's an all-purpose sales and support agent. And then you can choose what it's available on. So I'm going to make it available on my website here. And that is going to make sure that this AI agent is available on my website to help my users. All right, we can then give it instructions so we can set the tone. So this AI is going to be friendly, clear, and professional, but you can change that to be whatever you would like it to be. Then you can give it some context. So over here we have an example. So we sell online dog training courses and related physical products. Most of our customers are first-time dog owners. So you can go ahead and give your AI some context as to what your business is, who you help, that sort of information. Next, we have its role. Here it's been told that it's a helpful assistant who is familiar with our programs, products, and services. And then we have instructions. Keep initial responses short and sweet. When appropriate, ask the user if they'd like you to expand on your answer, break long answers into simple paragraphs, or easy to follow steps. So you can really customize the way that you want your AI to interact with your customers. What's important to note is that your AI is going to be trained on all of the content that you add to the system, and you can select what content you would like it to be trained on. So you'll see over here we have our knowledge sources, and here we have our knowledge base. We currently have this warning here that says this agent requires at least one valid knowledge source to answer questions. So I have added some information to my knowledge base, and I'm going to go ahead and select these two articles. Now, to add information to your knowledge base to train your AI on, you can simply click here, and that's going to take you to your knowledge base. So I can click there, and it's going to ask me to save my changes. So I do need to do that. So let me go ahead and save my changes quickly so that my little AI bot is saved. And I can click here and go to my knowledge base. Or if I need to access this knowledge base in another way, I would click on Setup at the bottom left-hand side. And then I would come to Help Desk and click on Knowledge Base. From here, I can create a new article. So let me go ahead and create a new article quickly. So what I'm going to do is click on the top right-hand side and say Add Article. And I'm going to call this The Importance of Cat Companionship. And then I'm going to select a category. I'm just going to call this one Cat Care. I could, of course, add this to a different category that already exists, or I could create a parent category so that this falls under a specific parent category as well. I'm going to leave that as is and hit save. And again, I'm going to hit save. And from here, I'm going to add my article. So I've just gotten ChatGPT, ironically, to create this article for me. And that's then going to help me train my AI so that it can give me answers. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Well, I want to publish this as well. And hit save. All right, now I've got these articles. I can go back to my AI. So I'm going to come here to the left-hand side, click on AI, go to my agents and click into Spark over here. And I'm going to make sure that all three of these knowledge sources are selected. And I'm going to save those changes. So I'm going to navigate back here. So now what we're going to do is make sure that Spark is actually trained on those articles, because I have added new articles to the system and to Spark's memory. So what we're going to do is click on Retrain Agents on the top right-hand side. So once your AI has been trained, you can actually go ahead and test this out on your website. So I'm going to navigate over to my website. And you'll see over here, I have my little AI button that's popped up. So I can click on that as a customer, and it's going to say, hi, how can I help? And I can say, what cat food should I buy? And I can put that question in. Spark is then going to think about it and type a response. And Spark has come back with this response of, I can't find any information because we haven't trained Spark on specific cat foods. But we can say, does my cat need a companion? And because we have trained Spark on this, it should give us a response with information about that. And there you go. Spark has drawn the information from our knowledge base and is giving us a response based on that information. So now we know, cool, Spark is trained up. It's going to give our customers the information it needs based on the information we've trained it on in our knowledge base. So that is how you can set up and train your own AI assistants for your customers. And before I finish this video, I actually want to show you that you can have multiple AI assistants. So let me navigate back to the system, and to add a second or third AI agent, all you have to do is click on Add AI Agent at the top here. You can go ahead and give it a new name. I'm going to call this one Bob, and we can hit save. And there you go, you'll be able to create a second AI agent as well, who could perform different tasks or functionalities within the system. So that is how you can create and set up your AI agents in the system.